guys, I'm Ramon Bautista and we're here at the Kangkang Cafe. It's a very famous cafe here in Ilocos Norte. Ano pong pangalan nyo?
Imelda Campagnano, sir.
Imelda, yeah, it's a very famous name here. What are famous foods here in Ilocos Norte?
Saluyot, otong,
What?
otong, sir.
What is utong?
Otong,
Explain.
datay sitaw nga atibdag, iso sir, putol-putulam, iso
What else? What else?
daytoy poki-poki, sir.
He said that this is the poki-poki. Poki-poki is what you hiwa. Hihiwa, no? And utong is kinakagat.
Hinihimay po.
Ay, nihimay. What else are your specialty which is not here?
Ada kabatiti, sir.
What?
Kabatiti po.
Ha?
Kabatiti, wen.
Kabatiti is talong?
Saan, sir?
Oh, eggplant?
Datay ada bilid-bilid na, sir.
Bilid-bilid?
Patula.
Patula?
Wan, di kabatiti, sir.
Sige, isa-isahin natin.
Puki-puki po, otong, saluyot, ken, kabatiti.
I hope you learn a lot. Because I'm gonna try it. I'm gonna try Manang's utong. Can I taste?
Wan, sir, ramanam.
Pwede ko bang tikman yung poki-poki nyo?
Wan, sir.
When?
Wen, sir.
Now.
Wan, sir.
When? Now. When? Opo. When? Malasa. Malinamnam. Girls, you want to try? Manang's poki-poki?
Later.
Now.
We'll try
When?
now.
When?
Now. Now.
Can you teach me how to speak Ilocano? Paano po sinasabi yung ibibigay ko sa'yo ang lahat?
Ited ko kang kati amin.
Kati amin.
Ited ko kang kati amin.
Ibibigay ko sa'yo pati ang buhay ko.
Amin nga biyag ko.
Biyag, pwede ba kitang anyayahan sa Kangkang Cafe?
Mabaling ka nga imbitaren ijay Kangkang Cafe.
Sige. Thank you, ma'am.
Thank you, sir.